Hi, welcome back to part 4 of the series to develop a realtor app for Fadia Rawaz. And let's see how our app is working. So I have written Fadia Rawaz and what are you looking for. Click here, you should be able to see where her office is located. If I click here, I can access the app. So it is working fine. Now she wants to add another page, so user should be able to send her few inquiries. So for example, this is her inquiry page on her website fadiasales.com, and she's asking, let us know how we can help, and she's asking to enter all these information. So we are trying to build a similar inquiry form on her app, and it should appear over here. So that's the purpose of today's session. So how we can do this? um, um, so we will create another app. How we will create another app? We will go to my apps. So either we can create an app from scratch, or we need to enter a similar information. So why don't we copy our existing app so we don't have to enter the address and some of the other information. So we can just copy the existing app and we can save some time. So I am pressing copy, and this will copy existing app. So you can see all the information has been copied over here. You can see the images and all the information which we had in our previous. If you want to have exactly the same thing, you can just change an app key. So previous one was Fadia, and your app should be ready, and it is very easy. So but in our case, we don't want all these images. We are trying to build an inquiry form. So what we will do, that we will a name, create another app with a different unique app key, and let's name it for the one. Okay, and as the remaining information is same, so we will just save it with the for the one name. Okay, so now it has saved. Okay, now all this information, now we are trying to create this inquiry form, and we don't need these information. So let me try to delete all these right hand side fields. So how we can delete these information? So I will click here and the field will come here, and then I will press delete button, and then it will delete. So you see it has gone, and this way I will delete all the right hand side fields. Now you have seen I have deleted all the fields from her app. Now we are trying to create this form. Okay, so the first thing is this, that we need to add some text. Okay, so we can just copy here and go to add fields and create a text. So text only. Okay, and we will click here. Alright, and this is the title. Okay, and we will save it. Okay, so you can see there are some changes which we need to make. How we can help? I can put a question mark. Okay, and then save it. Alright, then we need to enter first name, last name, and what we can do, that we will add a field, and it will be a single line text field. Okay, click here, and what is the label on it? First name. So we'll write down first name. Save. Okay, so first name is here. Let's add another one, and click here, last name. Okay, and then what else we need? Email address. Email. So where is the email? Here it is. Click here, email, and save. Okay, and you can see there are asterisk over here, so this means she wants these as a mandatory. So what we can do that we can come here, click back here and make it mandatory. So now it will be mandatory, so user has to input this field. Okay, and similarly last name we will make it mandatory, and the email address. Okay, all right, what else? Okay, next she is asking for the phone. Okay, so we will come here, add field, and we can use the phone number. Okay, click here, phone, and then save. Okay, what else? Now best time to reach me. Okay, and you can see it is a drop down box. Okay, so we will create a drop down box. Where is the drop down box? Over here, and then we will click here, say best time to reach me, and it says anytime. What else? Morning, afternoon, evening. So we will add it. So how we can do that? We will say add choices, morning, afternoon, and evening. Okay, so this will be the drop down items. Now you can see. Okay, so it is similar to this one. The next thing she wants on her form is I'm interested in. So these are the different areas which you know a client may be interested in. So it's a multiple choice. So we'll click here and then enter the title. Okay, and then we will add 4-5 choices. So we will just copy from here and copy and Control C and Control V. Okay, what else? Receiving a CMA, 3, purchasing a property, or finding an agent, and relocation. Okay, mortgage info, learning about the careers, and other. Okay, so these are the multiple choices, and then we can do save. Once we will save it, you can see the preview on the right hand side, and if you want you can change, you know, a field by drag and drop. Okay, and at the end she wants comments field, so we will go to add fields and we will say it is a multiple text line. Okay, we will click here, text comments, and save. Now you see, you know, it has been created. Now we will deploy this app. Okay, so it has been deployed. So you can see both of our app are there. The only thing which we need to do is to link this with her existing search ID. So currently we have this search ID with name Fadia Arwaz, and you can see it is linked only to Fadia app, not to Fadia one, and the layout is already there. So how we can, you know, have two apps? So first we need to click on my apps and click on the Fadia, and then you have to press Control key or command key and then highlight both of these and press the update button. Now you can see that this search ID, which is Fadia Awaz, is now linked to these two apps. Okay, so let's see whether it is working or not. So I'm going back to simulator, pressing back button and searching her app again. Hey, here we go. Now you can see her app is there. As you know, we are using the same icon, so it is coming here. And if I click here, you can see the inquiry form is there, and this is the single choice, multiple choices, comment. So it is ready. So once someone enter all the information and submit, it will go to this email address fadirawaz@gmail.com as well as to my email address. Okay, so that's how it will work. So please try it out, and as you can see, creating a form is very easy. If you are having some problem, please give us a call or send us an email. At the same time, if you think that there are other feature which we should add, so feel free to let us know and we will try to add those feature in our app. So hoping that you must have learned something and you will create more apps on our website. Please give us a call. Thank you.